A respected professor and leader in animal science, meat science, and extension administration, Dr. Zerle Carpenter made many noteworthy contributions to Texas agriculture during his 35-year career in the Texas A&M University system. He began as an assistant professor of animal science in 1962 and became full professor in 1971, serving as head of the department from 1978 to 1982. He was then named Director of the Texas Agricultural Extension Service, now Texas A&M AgriLife Extension, a position he held for 15 years. He became Associate Vice Chancellor for Agriculture in 1988, serving until his retirement in 1997. As Professor Emeritus, he remains an active member of the graduate faculty in animal science. A native of Greer County, Oklahoma, Dr. Carpenter earned his bachelor's degree at Oklahoma State University in 1957 and his master's and doctoral degrees at the University of Wisconsin in 1960 and 1962. As Extension Director, Dr. Carpenter involved local citizens in planning and developing extension education programs that improved their daily lives. His innovative efforts became a model for programming in other states and at the national level, where Dr. Carpenter served in key advisory roles, including chair of the National Extension Committee on Organization and Policy. He was influential in the reorganization of the U.S. Department of Agriculture, which resulted in Extension's continuing prominent role in that agency. In 1991, Dr. Carpenter led an urban initiative to broaden Extension's reach and popularity in Texas' 6 most populous counties. This initiative helped Extension reach more diverse urban audiences, including urban youth through 4-H programs. Dr. Chester Fales, a former student, served with Dr. Carpenter as Associate Executive Director and succeeded him as Director of Extension. He said, Dr. Carpenter provided much-needed visionary leadership to our extension programs in Texas and nationally, leaving a legacy as one of the greatest extension directors who ever served our nation. Throughout his career, Dr. Carpenter served on dozens of committees and boards, including the USDA's Texas Food and Agriculture Council. Former student Dr. Rod Bowling, now President and CEO of AgriFoods Solutions International, recalled, under Dr. Carpenter's leadership in meat science, the foundation research for USDA grades of beef, pork, lamb, and goat was upgraded. The value of all livestock produced in the United States is based on this research, and it established U.S. meat products as the world standard. Dr. Carpenter wore the mantle of responsibility as he built and defended the USDA grade standards. Dr. Carpenter has received many awards and honors, among them the R.C. Pollock Distinguished Service Award from the American Meat Science Association and National Livestock and Meat Board. In recognition of his valuable contributions, the Department of Animal Science annually presents the Dr. Zerle L. Carpenter Award in Meat Science. The award is given to a graduate student who demonstrates leadership skills and has made significant contributions to meat science teaching, research, and extension. Dr. Carpenter and his wife Lou have 2 children, 4 grandchildren, and 2 great-grandchildren. The Carpenters now raise beef cattle in Brazos County. Former student, friend, and associate Marcus Hill, president and chairman of Ag Workers Auto Insurance, said, Dr. Carpenter's contribution to meat science and agriculture will become legend. His work with Extension brought him admiration and respect from every county agent and 4-H'er in Texas. He did it all, and he did it with class and integrity. We are proud to induct Dr. Zerle L. Carpenter into the Department of Animal Science Hall of Fame.